All right, so I bought some tractor equipment on Amazon. Here's how it went. All right, so here it is installed on my tractor. This is a Yanmar YM2000B that I rebuilt. If y'all missed that series, check out the links in the description below. That was a really fun rebuild. So I've put this thing through its paces at this point. I towed this big old trailer here, super heavy, a lot of steel. I towed this little trailer here. I pulled a truck that was stuck. That moved about 5,000 pounds, no problem. I've moved boats with it, no problem. It's really holding up great. It's all leveled out with a 3-point hitch, 1, 2, 3. This one comes with the smaller pins, but you can get bushings if you have a bigger tractor. You can get one of these on Amazon too. It's just a 3-point ball hitch with a hook on it. The hook comes in real nice because you can tow logs like this right here. This giant log, I pulled it. I don't even know how much it weighs. It pulled it, no problem at all, as you can see here. No bending on the metal, nothing. The hitch is pretty tight in there. I just wrapped it with some electrical tape, you know, to keep it from slopping around. It's got nice reinforcement here to keep it nice and strong. It's got nice supports like this and really good welds around the whole thing. I don't have any problem with the quality. It's got pretty thick steel up here, pretty thick steel here, plates on the ends. Comes with these nice clips, and this thing is heavy duty. It's not gonna bend or break at all. It's got a D-ring here you can use, but it's much stronger just to pull down here, you know. That thing pulled it no problem. Now they make cheaper ones on Amazon, don't buy those. This one's more expensive, buy this one. Here's why. This is quick hitch compatible, so if you have a Harbor Freight quick hitch, you can just set this on the ground and back right into it and pick it up. That's why it's much bigger in here. The other ones on Amazon are much smaller, they're not as wide, and they will not work with the quick hitch. So you gotta take your quick hitch off and throw this on there, and that is a pain. So this one costs more, but it's well worth it. This thing ain't gonna bend or break at all. Not after what I put it through. All right, so I checked everywhere before I bought this one on Amazon. Tractor Supply had one, it was double the price and it wasn't any better. Harbor Freight didn't have one at all. So I'd do it again. I'd buy this one on Amazon, no problem. It's working great for me. If y'all wanna get one of these for your tractor, check out the links in the description. I'll check y'all on the next one. Later.